Hello everybody, this is Matador again from freetrainingvideos.com. It's 12:10 p.m. Friday, July 9th. It's my 10-year wedding anniversary. Woohoo! Nice. So having a good time thinking about what we might do tonight after I write the V newsletter. Good stuff, anyway. So here is a nice day up, actually, a bit of a consolidation day, but a good test of the 108 mark. Right at the declining 20 MA here on this daily chart, the S&P 500 ETF. So on a 15-minute chart, you can see what kind of consolidation we've got brewing here. It's just, even if I zoom in, just very, very tight. A bit of a symmetrical triangle we're forming here with higher lows, a little bit of a lower high right now, sitting here right at noon. And on the 60-minute chart, we already knew what we were fighting up into. This 107.50 mark, and you have to scrunch this all the way back out, is exactly this gap fill, almost to the penny, where this symmetrical triangle failed and gapped down, remained unfilled, and then we kind of worked our way through it, both at the beginning and toward the end. So one very nice notable test, this upper shadow here, actually on a daily chart represents the upper shadow on this daily chart as well. So of course, all price makes it into each time frame, and on a 60-minute chart, that little blip up here is that. So very, very tight consolidation as we try to fight through this, but it's a high base of sorts, and so that represents bullish activity. Let's take apart the market internals, which are unbelievably important, starting with the trend. So the trend is at 0.82, typically in the neutral range, and that confirms neutrality. Just a couple blips up above 1.2, which makes it a little bit more difficult to want to go long in that environment. I'd like to see this break below the lows of the day and head south and kind of hover around or work its way into 0.5 with lower highs and lower lows. And the trend Q, let me just zoom in so we can see any kind of price action here, is also at 0.8 area, and that's fantastic confirmation. Another blip up above 1.5 into the bear zone. Same thing, I'd like to see this bleed out, work its way towards 0.5 with lower highs and lower lows, and the VIX actually is showing some bullish movement. So a nice little bleed out here, if you will, on the 60-minute chart. But if you zoom in, nothing more than a consolidation. All right, so we're experiencing just now a bit of a poke up above this high of the day, another test of that. So we'll see if it breaks out to the upside, which would usually mean the market sells off. I wouldn't be too frisky about going long until it broke to 25. So that's what I'm looking for in the form of broad market internal confirmation. Doesn't mean I can't take a trade on another time frame or another stock. It just means I need to be X% more careful about how I enter it long or how I take profits. So good stuff. Very, very powerful. So that is a run around the broad markets. D7 is looking forward to talking to you at the close. So I hope you can join him for that. And it's nice working with everybody this week. Talk to you soon, everybody.